Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series on relations and functions. And from the previous video ay pinag-aralan natin that a function is either a one-to-one correspondence or a many-to-one correspondence. So pag one-to-many, hindi siya function. Hindi ko na ito papaliwanag kasi na-discuss na ito sa previous video. So tingnan nyo yung RF01 natin na video na yung the video before this. Now, ang objective natin sa video na to is titingnan pa natin yung mga iba't ibang examples pa ng functions. Now, for example, number one is yung height at saka age, Yung height and age, So, height is dependent of age, Height depends on age. Height depends on age, So, mathematically, pwede natin gamitin yung word na function. Instead of saying height depends on age, we can say that height is a function of age. Kung may mga kaibigan kayong mathematician or magaling sa math, usually ganito sila magsalita, height is a function of age, instead of saying that height depends on age, So, of course, I think this is very obvious, Siyempre, pag bata ka, papandak ka. Tapos, habang ikaw ay medyo tumatanda na, ikaw ay yung, di ba? Ikaw ay tumatangkad. Tapos, pag at a certain age, medyo, yung height ay pantay na, ibig sabihin, hindi na nagbabago. And at the same time, pag medyo tumanda ka na, nagiging kuba ka na. Well, hopefully, wag naman, But usually, nag-shrink talaga yan pag tumatanda na, So, nagbabago yung height, depende dun sa age, So, height is a function of age because height is dependent on age. Example number 2, we have cost of mailing, for example. Cost of mailing at saka yung weight nung mail mo. So, dependent siya. Cost of mailing at saka weight, So, lalagyan ko ng kama. Ibig sabihin, depends on. Yung kama depends on. Pwede nating lagay ito. Height depends on age. Cost of mailing depends on weight. So, cost of mailing is a function. Of weight. Of course, yung weight dito, yung ibig sabihin yung weight nitong mail natin, So, nagkakaintindihan na tayo dito. So, syempre, pag mas mabigat yung mail mo, mas mahal siya, di ba? So, nagde-depend siya dun sa one quantity depends on the other. And second or third, we have distance at saka time. So usually, pag kayo naglalakad, distance is a function of time. So pag tumatakbo, for example, ang kotse or any vehicle, habang patagal ng patagal, palayo ng palayo yung natatravel mo, So distance depends on time, So yan yung mga several examples, of quantities that are dependent of the other. So, yung function, pwede natin dagdagan yung characteristics ng function. A function is either one-to-one correspondence or many-to-one correspondence. And of course, a function is composed of two quantities. Two quantities, pag nag-higher math na kayo, more than 2 na yan. But here, you have two quantities where one depends on the other. Depends on the other. So, ito yung mga properties, Hindi talaga ito yung formal definition. Binibigyan ko lang kayo ng overview kung ano ba ibig sabihin ng function. And usually, pag function, merong tayong quantities, o yung tinatawag natin na variables. excuse me, yung height, yung cost of mailing, sila yung mga, yung distance, sila yung natawag natin na dependent. These are the dependent variables, no? Dependent. And the other quantity naman, yung age, yung weight, at saka yung time, yan ay mga independent. These are the independent variables. And usually, no, I think you are very expert already in using x and y. No? So usually sa function, ang nire-represent natin yung independent variable ng x and yung dependent variable ng y. Okay? So minsan f of x din yung another representation of this is f of x. But we will discuss this later. So, pwede nating sabihin na, in general, we can say that y, no? Pag nag-graph na tayo, for example, sa xy plane, pwede nating sabihin na y is a function of x. No? So, wala pa rin tayong definition ng function. Ito yung mga basic notions lang o yung mga real-life notions or real-life examples of what are functions. So, I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Gusto kayo invite sa zip9.com. Dyan yung ating website. No? Inaayos ko naman yan from time to time. And of course, if you want to subscribe to our channel, you can just subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below the video. Maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial.